All right, and it is take two for SpaceX, a launch now scheduled for tonight to eventually bring back two astronauts who've been stuck in space for 9 months now. Our senior correspondent Jonathan Sari is at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida, and he's got the very latest for us. They fixed the hydraulic problem, so does it look like things are go for launch tonight?
So far, so good. NASA says the weather looks 95% favorable for a launch tonight. Ground teams have flushed air from a hydraulic system in the clamp arm that supports the SpaceX rocket on the launch pad, resolving an issue that led to the scrub of the initial launch attempt on Wednesday.
SpaceX LD on countdown 1. At this time, we are standing down from today to further address hydraulic release data.
NASA and SpaceX are trying to send 2 Americans, a Russian and a Japanese astronaut, to the International Space Station to rotate out 4 current crew members who will return to Earth in a separate SpaceX capsule. The returning astronauts include Butch, Wilmore and Suni Williams, who have been working on the ISS since last June, when their Boeing Starliner spacecraft developed intermittent thruster problems on its first piloted flight test. This will be the first astronaut rotation on the ISS since SpaceX CEO Elon Musk posted on social media, "It is time to begin preparations for deorbiting the space station. It has served its purpose. There is very little incremental utility. Let's go to Mars." The ISS is scheduled to be retired around 2030, when it can be replaced by commercial options. Until then, astronauts involved with today's launch and the mission returning to Earth say it's important to leverage the orbiting laboratory.
We should make the most of this space station for our taxpayers, all of our international partners, and hold our obligations and do that world-class science that this laboratory is capable of.
If Crew-10 launches tonight, it's scheduled to dock with the International Space Station at 11:30 p.m. Saturday night. We're talking in Eastern time. And then the earliest that Butch and Suni would be able to return is Wednesday of next week. John?